Well, thank you, sir. Well, I'd like to share really two observations and an insight. If we start from the macro perspective, stock exchanges play an important role in the real economy, helping to convert risk capital into working capital. And this contributes to real jobs. Now, this matters to all of us. Why? Demographics. Because, ladies and gentlemen, people are getting older and living longer, which is a good thing. And to provide long-term financial health, most of us increasingly rely on direct contribution pensions. And for this long-term financial health, we are increasingly seeing investors invest in equities to meet these long-term investment returns. Now, the second humble observation from Asia, where our insights at the London Stock Exchange Group are based on the experience of LSEG's recent acquisition of Refinitiv, which completed in the beginning of last year. And this is where our colleagues grew from about 4,000 to 25,000 colleagues, half of whom are in Asia Pacific. And listening and engaging with our colleagues, over the last 2 years, we've seen a very significant growing interest in US securities, even from investors in Asian countries. And I'm sure many in the audience are also recognizing this. In fact, a number of brokers in Asia have told us that more than half of the order flow from domestic investors are in US securities. So this means buying shares like Apple and Tesla and Alibaba, or selling them in US dollars from countries that have different settlement currency of choice. So if these are the two trends, what's the insight? Well, the insight is that investors that can buy and sell with lower costs at the time of the transaction will ultimately benefit from the compounding long-term investment returns. So the simple numerical example is for 100 to invest, for one that's only able to deploy 97 to invest, and someone else that is getting a more efficient buying 99.5 in the same security, that second investor is already ahead of the first one in compounding for the long-term investment returns. Thank you very much.